So how do you start with online teaching as an alternative career? Well, in my opinion, everyone has something that they can put into an online course. Everyone has what I call a superpower. And by a superpower, I mean you've either experienced things in life, you've learned things in life, you've got skills, you've got talents, you've got interests and passions. And even if you're not really good at something, you're still interested and passionate about something. And you can turn that into an online course. There are a variety of ways to do that. For example, even if you don't consider yourself an expert in something, you can interview experts. You put together 5 or 10 interviews with the experts, and you can turn that into an online course that you can package and resell. Let me think of another example. But most of us have some kind of a skill or talent or experience or learning that we've experienced that we can put into an online course. See, the fallacy that comes with online course teaching is people think, I have to be the world's authority, the leading expert on this topic, and that's not true. There are many, many people out there searching for starter information, for beginner information. There are many people out there that are newbies that are just wanting to dip their toe into the topic that you already know plenty about. So be aware that you don't have to be the world's leading authority on a particular topic to create an online course. You, with your skills, your talent, and your ability and your experience, you can create an online course, and you can serve the biggest section of the market out there, which is newbies looking to learn something for the very first time. Now, once you've got your online course created, then there are a couple ways you can go with your online course. You can either publish the course on a marketplace website, such as udemy.com, or you can self-host the course on your own website and create a sales funnel to sell that course. And there are 2 different options there. One is going to pay you less money, but it's going to be more consistent. The other one is going to pay you more money, and if you do it right, it will also be consistent. So the self-hosted plan is the plan I strongly recommend, but there are both options available. And in my book, I share with you those options. The book is called The World's Most Perfect Business. I'm going to have a link below this video so you can get a free download of this book, and it's going to introduce you to the exciting world of the online course business.